Where did Mommy go?
She's right here. Hi. Yeah, run over there by Mom, man. And Alexandra
She's about ready to get her face washed.
is getting about ready to start screaming bloody murder because Mom's going to attack her and wash her face. Here's a sad hiker. Comes a sad hiker. Doing her back bends, doing her Nadia Comaneci.
Come on, girls, get back in, Emma. Hurry quickly.
Hey, Becky! What are we doing?
We're getting our feet muddy in the some river. I don't know what it is. Some river.
Mom, I'm losing my feet.
Go step right there where the rock is.
Where?
Step around the rock.
Here's my two muddy girls.
Did you get Mike and Mark in
I
there?
did.
And Katie? Well, I guess I'm going to bring his pants tomorrow.
How do you like my new shoes, Eric?
Hey, they look pretty good.
It's quicksand. Dad, that's quicksand. Go feel it.
Look at this stuff.
Oh, it's no. Alex,
Yeah, splash your mom!
no.
Yes, bless your mommy. Good job.
Why don't you splash your mom?
Puss here.
Come on, honey.
Beautiful.
What
Here she is, after rolling in the mud and now rolling in the sand.
That's so funny. Yes, please sit on that.
Oh, Mom, she's got sand.
Feel free to sit on. Don't hold back. Here, I want to take this off, honey. It's just much too cold.
Girl, out here on Marble Point. We got some cold girls out here on Marble Point with the wind in their face.
Hey, did you get one of those hats?
Did I get mine?
One of those hats for Adam? No. This is neat.
What is it?
I'm gonna go back to Jacob and buy me some meat earrings. That's what I decided. Well, maybe I want a sweatshirt though. Claire, I want to see you too. There she is.
I followed her.
Oh, darn. Hi, Alexandra. What you doing? What are you doing? Are you riding on the back with Dad?
We're hiking. We're tough hikers. We're
You
hiking
look
girls.
cute, honey.
She's doing rock climbing up my back.
Is she?
She's driving looking for toe holds on my
Well.
spine.
I'm getting a really good view of your unshaven face.
Good. Okay. How you doing?
With Alexandra peeking over the back.
Where's she? Is she right here?
And here's Mark.
She's a super hiker.
There's a super hiker.
She's been singing songs.
There's Mark.
I don't care.
Who's the girl leaving?
Here's Alexandra the tiger. Lion.
Alexandra and Leah have made this huge pile of leaves.
The biggest mess.
They've made a great big mess and it's beautiful.
So we like got leaves in my coat. Leah, jump to me.
Alexandra, tell me what a cow says. What does a horse say?
Mom, get a shot of
Yay.
me under these leaves. I'm
I
gonna
will,
pile
honey.
them up.
Alexandra, what does a kitty cat say?
Get me upstairs.
What does a pig say? What does a pig say? Alexandra, what does a pig say? Very good. What does a dog say?
Mom! Mom, get a shot of me under these leaves.
Alexandra!
Hey, did you see me?
Alexandra, no, no, no.
Hey, I didn't speak to that. Did I speak to that?
Alexandra, Emma, tell her to get her feet out of there, honey.
I'm gonna show you. Mom, this isn't cold.
That's not cold?
No.
Alexandra, you
But when we
stink.
get out, it is. But my feet hurt. Mine too.
Did you find a rock, Alexandra? Emma, let me see her rock.
Who made it?
Alexandra!
On it.
Alexandra, get me a rock.
I'm going up.
Alexandra, let me see it.
Hey, Annie, you can jump because you're not for you. So the little ones can jump for a minute, and then the big ones.
Here we go.
Okay, now it's time for those over 4. Okay, Alexandra, come on. Let her get off.
Okay, stop.
Alexandra, come here. Here, come here.
Right over there.
Come here.
Jessa and Alexandra.
What do you want?
I'll bite.
You want a bite? Okay, you want another bite of cookie?
Is that what you want? First of all, you have to tell me what a kitty cat says. What does a dog say?
I hear a doggy now. What's that doggy saying?
Okay.
Yeah.
What does a horse say?
Alexandra, what does a piggy say? Give us a good piggy sound. What does a piggy say? Deep inside?
What does a cow say?
A cookie.
A cookie. Okay. Bye-bye. We'll go get a cookie.
Hey you. This is Alexandra in our leaf pile. It's Whitney Leary. There's my sweet girl.
Emma will come back.
Hey Alexandra, what is that in your hair?
Say a bow.
And a leaf.
baby. There's your Barbie right there. Look. Here's your Barbie. Here's your Barbie.
This is the street we live on.
Give Barbie a kiss.
There's Brother Bennett's house. This is a shot straight down the street.
Oh, you can meet Barbie. Is Barbie walking? Make Barbie walk down the street. Go put Barbie to bed in that thing of leaves. Let her go night night. Did she go night night? Give her a kiss goodnight. You better give her a kiss goodnight before you put her to bed. Give her a kiss night night. Oh, that's a good girl. What a nice mom you are. Give her love. Yeah. Give her a hug. Oh, that's good. Now put her to bed. Say night night. Be gentle. Say night night. Oh, that's a good mommy. Yeah, there goes a truck. Alexandra, why don't you go night night? Why don't you go night night? Night night. Night night. Come and give your mommy a kiss goodbye. Good night though. Come here, come give me a kiss. Wanna come give me a kiss night night? Oh, thank you. Want a kiss for Daddy?
What a kiss. What a kissing girl.
Oh, I love your kisses. Your kisses are mighty fine.
Who didn't? Whitney doesn't know a good thing when he sees it.
You kissing her feet? Mommy's sucking face. Huh? That's a duck, you're right.
Well, that's a good way to use Barbie. Use a rake.
Is your doggy coming out? Is your doggy coming? Wanna go for a ride? Wanna go for a ride? You're gonna fall over. That stroller's gonna fall on your head. Give you a big owie. Look, they have a little baby. Oh, they have a baby over there. Baby. But you're not a baby, huh? You're a big girl.
I just stand by her. Oh, cool. This is good. I like this.
Oh my gosh, the gave some to the reindeer? He hit it with cookies, alright. Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
What are you going to show me, Alexandra? What happened?
It's a water balloon in this, Mom. Oh my gosh.
What happened, Alexandra?
Santa ate them. Show Dad. Show Dad.
Oh, can you see the teeth mark from the reindeer?
Yes! They took a big bite.
You look like in that skirt.
Careful. Say stop. No.
The blue thing.
This. That on my head and this. Oh, this one.
Let's see your face, Alexandra. Ooh, that's pretty fancy.
Want to take this off?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to wear this?
No, okay. Tell me.
You want to wear that?
This one. Oh, Daddy. Huh? Japanese people wear this.
Huh?
Hey, babies.
That's your baby right there, honey. Your baby's right there.
Let's see your, turn around.
Sweet baby.
Okay, keep turning.
Now dance for us a little bit.
And play long. Swing play. Swing play. Swing play. Swing play.
Okay.
That is a stole. They just wear it down over their arms like that and they walk. It's